Hello and welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to set up replenishment, or as some of you may know it as, merchandising. It's actually very straightforward. You will only have to maintain one extra field within your catalogue and catalogue matrix CSV file. You can see how to set this up within our step-by-step guide below. Once you have set up the relevant files, you are ready to take an order. Please note you can set up specific catalogues to specific customers, allowing you to set up replenishment levels for their product. Here you can see I click my replenishment catalogue for this specific customer. You can also notice at the top of the page the title has changed to merchandising. Click on a product to start the order. When clicking the order quantity button, you can see there is a tab called merchandising. This is where you will be able to replenish the stock. Simply add the count quantity, such as 3. This will then automatically add what needs to be ordered to replenish that item. For me, I counted 3, so it adds 5 to my order, as the default quantity is 8. You can also adjust the default quantity for that item manually for that order, like so. Please note that this will not change the default quantity within the CSV file. Let's tap on another product. Use the plus button to add how many you have counted. Here I counted 1, so I tap the plus button once. This then adds 31, as my default quantity was 32. You can also override how many you wish to order by simply tapping order quantity and setting how much the customer wants to order. Once you finish the order, simply just click outside the box and the quantity is set. Are you utilising Salesforce Center to its full potential? If you think you could get more out of it, contact our sales team today at 01908 368 001. Blue Alligator, a vision to sell.